Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can enforce tagging. Okay, so for that I'm going to use policy. So in our last video, if you have seen, we have created a new resource. So let me search for policy. I'll click on this policy. So this is your policy dashboard. Here it is showing the overall score as 100%. Everything you can see it from here, but for now I'll go to my this authoring here. I will click on my definition. Now here these all are my pre-built policies available, so you can open it and you can see. If you see the definition type as policy, I will search for require a tag and its value on resources. So this is the out of the box policy available. Let me open this. Okay, and here you can read its definition. Okay, so basically if you see here, requires a tag and its value on resources. So another thing is that it is going to be applied on resources, not into resource group. And like name of your tag, right? So you need all this information. So what I will do, I will simply say this as assign policy. Okay, now once I do that, then it will basically tell me where you need this. So basically I can select a particular subscription here. If I would have multiple subscriptions, so I would have got that. And for now I have only created one resource group inside my this lab, so I will simply select this resource group and let me click on select. Okay, and here if you see the subscription and resource group is coming. If you want to exclude something, you can put this inside your exclusions. Then you can see the basic information, and here you can give a name to your assignment. So I'm going to say this as require cost center tag and its value on resources. Okay, and here I can put a description. So let me say description as require cost center tag and its value on all resources in resource group. And here I'm going to enable this right away. I'll click on next. Okay, now the next thing is that, so here I need to specify what tag and value should be mandatory. So I'm saying that if we do not put cost center here inside our tag and the value would not be this, okay, then we want to apply this policy and we'll give some kind of error. Okay, so I will show you in the next few minutes. Then you click on next, and here you can see like what remedy we should take if this happens. So I can click on next. Now let me search here cost center. Refresh this. Okay, it is still not available. So as I have enabled that policy, so let me go here and let me try to create a resource. So I can search for my storage account. Or let me do it in this way. Storage account. I will create. And I need to make sure I'm selecting my resource group, then only I will get error. So let me see this as something like this. Okay, and let me say review and create. Okay, so the validation is in progress. So if you see, I'm getting this error, so I can click on this validation field. Okay, and here if you can see this resource, Okay, that is Sagar 1213. Policy requires cost center tag and its value. So I can click on this policy link, and that will navigate to me that particular policy to understand me the error. Okay, so here if you can see, we have simply created this policy a few minutes back where we assigned it at our resource group. Okay, and we said that we need to apply these resources, we need to apply this what do we call, tag and value. Now assume, let me go here, let me go to next, and now if in case if I will apply, not here, let me go here to tag, let me say this as my cost center, value as 00. So it's taking some time. Okay, our cost center is here now. Inside my value is 00. Review and create. Now if you will see, the validation should accept it. Now you can see we are not getting any errors, so we should be good to create this resource. Okay, so I'm not going to create it. So just to recap what we have done, we have gone to policy, inside our policy definition. So I'm into definition here. Now we'll search for that one, that is inheritor tag from the resource group. So here if you can see, this is available here. Okay, few minutes back, it will generally take some time. Yeah. So then we assigned this policy, and we can see right away where we applied, what we need to do, review, create, and then we try to create a new storage account without adding the tag, so it started giving us error. So thank you for watching this video.